Participate in, workshop. Participate in a workshop. Lead, session. Lead a session. Acquire, skill. Acquire a skill. Distribute, materials. Distribute materials.
Question 1. To develop practical skills, managers will participate in a leadership A. Workshop, B. Session, C. Skill, D. Materials, which includes role-playing exercises and interactive group activities. The answer is A. Workshop.
Workshop. Employees can learn new software skills by participating in the workshop. Session. An expert has been invited to lead the afternoon session on digital marketing.
Question 2. The annual marketing conference has a very full schedule. Ms. Chen will lead the first afternoon A. Workshop, B. Session, C. Skill, D. Materials on social media strategies, which is scheduled from 2 to 3 p.m. The answer is B. Session.
Question 3. The primary goal of this online course is to help our staff acquire a new computer. A. Workshop, B. Session, C. Skill, D. Materials. The answer is C. Skill.
Question 4. Before the presentation begins, the speaker will distribute informational A. Workshop, B. Session, C. Skill, D. Materials to all attendees. The answer is D. Materials. A seminar. The university will host a seminar on modern literature next week. Workshop. Employees can learn new software skills by participating in the workshop.